frequency of a light wave is how many waves move past a certain point during a set amount of time. Usually 1 second is used. Frequency is generally measured in hertz, which are units of cycles per second. Colour is the frequency of visible light, and it ranges from 430 trillion Hz, which is red, to 750 trillion Hz, which is violet. Waves can also go beyond and below these frequencies, but they are not visible to the human eye. For instance, radio waves are less than 1 billion Hz. Gamma rays are more than 3 billion Hz. Wave frequency is related to wave energy. Since all the waves really are is travelling energy, the more energy in a wave, the higher its frequency. The lower the frequency is, the less energy in the wave. Gamma rays are very high energy and radio waves are very low energy. When it comes to light waves, violet is the highest energy colour and red is the lowest energy colour. Related to the energy and frequency is the wavelength, or the distance between corresponding points on subsequent waves. You can measure wavelength from peak to peak or from trough to trough. Shorter waves move faster and have more energy, and longer waves travel more slowly and have less energy. Aside from the different frequencies and lengths of light waves, they also have different speeds. In a vacuum, light waves move their fastest at 186,000 miles per second. This is also the fastest that anything in the universe moves, but when light waves move through air, water or glass, they slow down. That's also when they bend and refract. So what do sound and light have in common? Sound and light both exhibit oscillatory wave-like characteristics with various frequencies, wavelengths and amplitudes. The sense intensity is dependent on the amplitude of the wave. Both exhibit Doppler shift towards higher frequencies when the source of the wave is approaching us. Both undergo refraction, diffraction and interference. Walter Russell stated that waves of light do not propagate but reproduce each other from a wave field to wave field of space. The planes of zero curvature which bound all wave fields act as mirrors to reflect light from one field into another. This sets up an appearance of light as travelling, which is pure illusion,